Hello dears, Ola here. Today I'm going to show you how to create two spring themed tags using Lavender collection and several mixed media products by Prima Marketing. First I pick two bases for tags and three different papers from Lavender collection. The first layer of papers is ready, and now I'm distressing the edges. A few words about the tags bases. They came of a tag pad by Julie Nutting. It's aquarelle tag pad. It's a really old one, so I'm not sure if you still can get it in your craft stores, but if you don't have this tag pad, you can use any other tags or just cut tags shape from any heavyweight cardstock. And now, as you see, I'm covering both of tags with a clear gesso. The gesso has dried, and now I'm adding some background stamps. Now I'm adding the texture paste through stencils. I really love this new paper paste. I'm going to add some colorful touches to the background. To do it, I'm using two tones of purple color of Color Bloom Mist by Prima. Because my working surface is not too big and I don't want to cover it completely, I'm using the brush to spread the mist. This is much more easy. Now I'm going to arrange all the embellishments on both of tags. I want to color these chipboard fairies with embossing powders, and I'm going to combine two different colors of the powder. To glue all the heavy elements, I'm using 3D Matte Gel by Prima. After drying, it's transparent and really strong. To get more visually connection of embellishments with the background, I decided to add a few touches of the same mists also on the embellishments. The final touch to get even more intricate look, I decided to add some art stones and a few beads. That's it. I hope you liked this tutorial. The whole supplies list you will find on Prima blog or in the movie description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!